So I have taken a glass bottle and I have pasted a transparent sticker on it. You can get this transparent stickering in any of the printout shop. If you do not want to paste a sticker, then you can do your own creative ideas and draw on it with colors or acrylic colors or markers. But before doing anything, just remember to clean the bottle properly. Then what I did is I took enough amount of Fevicol and poured inside it. The amount of Fevicol needed will be according to the size of the bottle. We are using the Fevicol to make the bottle translucent. Now what I did is I evenly spread the Fevicol all over by rotating the bottle. No need to worry about the extra Fevicol that is there. You can keep a container where you can just take out the extra content of the Fevicol and you can reuse it afterwards. I let it dry for a whole 24 hours. The Fevicol needs to be dried properly. After the proper drying, just check shaking the bottle if any amount of liquid Fevicol is there. Now what I'll do is I'll start decorating the bottle. So I have used a paper loop to decorate the bottle. You can use wool or these paper loops are readily available in the shop. What you have to do is you put a Fevicol in a brush on the area where you want to put the loop or the wool, and evenly put the wool or the paper loop. Now what I have done is I have taken the white buttons which are readily available everywhere and I have started arranging it, giving it a pattern. Do not put a lot of Fevicol on the decorative items because it glides as the surface is circular. Now what I have done is I have created some heart shaped patterns on the surface of the bottle. I have done it with a pen that I had which works on glass. You can use a permanent marker for that. I have drawn a lot of shapes throughout the bottle where I needed. Now what I'll do is I'll put Fevicol on top of the shape that I drew. See, what you can do is you can do this with a brush also with a little amount of Fevicol. If you do not know how much Fevicol to take, you can apply it with a brush. And you can reuse the Fevicol that you took out from the bottle in the first step. Then I put glitter on top of it. Now slightly stamp the bottle on the newspaper so that the extra glitter comes out, and then take a brush and reshape with the shape that you have drawn. In this way the extra glitter comes out. You can see the process. Now you can see the final result. To make it look more distinct, what I have done is I have taken acrylic color and I have taken a brush and I started giving an outline to the shape. I have done that throughout the bottle. Now this is the final result of the whole bottle decoration. This is a daytime view, and what you can do is you can put the lychee light or the small ball lights inside the bottle. So this is how the Fevicol makes the bottle translucent, and when you put lights inside it, it turns to a night lamp. Now let's see some more designs on the bottle. Now in this I have just used the acrylic color, paper loops and old gift wrap paper. This I have done with help of the glitter. You can follow the same process that we have seen earlier. Now this is with the molten wax crayons.